he act like this with his daddy? That's why he gonna try to overrule you.
Stop.
He can't wait till he get.
Relax, man, okay?
I don't want to get no trouble.
That's right. So you need to listen.
I'm going to get on your phone.
No.
Please.
Look at the way you just talked. You didn't even see my phone. No.
Sorry.
I'm gonna cut it.
Sorry.
What? What?
Just wait until you see the doctor. Go home and one time.
What for?
What's up with you? Are you honest?
No, you put my leg in there.
Come on, relax, okay?
Give me that phone. I'll throw it across your face.
For real, stop talking to me like that.
Close.
No!
That's my son when he said something. I'm like,
No!
big pop, big. What?
No!
Okay? Come on.
Boy, sit down, boy. We don't shoot.
Sit your butt down, boy.
No.
Come on. Here it.
Daddy, sit your butt down.
This is Armitage. This
I don't want
You ready to call up on him. Look,
it's time to leave.
gotta be DCF fast. You never know when you're around.
doors closing.
It's time to go.
I get it. Come on, Noel. I'm cool with it.
Did he take his medicine today?
Yep.
I didn't take my medicine.
Yes, you did.
I never take my medicine.
Really?
It's not in Antonio. No, it's not. No, it's not. I quit. It's not. No, it's freaking not. No, it's freaking not.
You smiling? You supposed to be.
She mad as hell for real. She trying to control herself. I already know.
You ain't gotta do. Wrap one across your leg, get that belt. Think about 10 times.
Kiss my feet.
Ooh,
Kiss my feet now.
ooh.
Really? Okay. Good.
This
You
is
gotta hit me.
I'm gonna hit
transfer to
you,
federal
balls.
trains and military.
What is it?
Wellington, I think we passed Wellington already.
Yeah.